Today I'm going to share my newest pre-loved luxury handbag from Fashionphile. Hi and welcome, or welcome back to Chris the Stylista, where we find style in the happy medium between minimalism and maximalism to create a curated wardrobe that's just for you. I initially hesitated to purchase this bag because of the color combination. It is comprised of two neutrals that I generally wouldn't wear together in the past due to maybe an unspoken or unwritten rule about this particular color combination. Since my initial notice of the bag, my style perspective has changed, and now I'm more likely to wear this color combination. I recorded the unboxing for you and I'll show you now. The Loewe Flamenco knot tote bag in Midnight. Not to be confused with the Loewe Flamenco knot clutch or the Loewe Flamenco knot bag. This is specifically the tote. I've not been able to find very much information on this bag on the internet, and I don't know if that's because it's discontinued or maybe just not a very popular bag. I don't know, but personally I love it. As I mentioned, this was a pre-loved purchase. I purchased from Fashionphile, and I was primarily looking on the Fashionphile website and the Vestiaire Collective website. I don't have any information as to when this bag was discontinued, but it's no longer available on the Loewe website. So if you have any information on when this particular style was discontinued, I'd love to know. Please share that in the comments. So the body of the bag is actually navy blue and the handles are black, which even when viewed up close, it's hard to distinguish. So the issue that brought me reservation or gave me pause with making the purchase is not really even a big deal up close. I just had to see it for myself, and it's amazing. In my most recent purchases, you may have noticed a theme of huge tote bags, and that's just a reflection of my life right now. These tote bags work for my everyday life. I take them to work. I take them for midday errands. I take them for weekend errands. You may have noticed, if you've watched a few of my videos, that I generally don't talk about wish list items, especially those hard to find wish list items. I generally move in silence as I curate and plan my collection, which is something I highly recommend unless you plan to inspire folks and compete with them to get those specialty items that you want. Get what you need first and then share. That's my recommendation. This bag was actually supposed to kickstart my restarting of my luxury handbag collection, but I opted to put it on reserve and get the Celine Sosangle because the Sosangle was in a unique color and I thought I would miss out if I didn't move fast. So I got that one first, reserved this one. I love that Fashionphile has the reserve option. However, I do not use reserve unless I have every intention to purchase the bag, because the hustle is, if you cancel your reserve item, you're gonna lose a grip. You're gonna lose a few $100s. So it's not anything to play with if you're still waffling on a bag. If you know you wanna get a bag, but perhaps there's another one in queue first, or you need a couple weeks to stack a little bit of money before you get it, sure. But if you're waffling on a bag, I would not recommend reserving these handbags, because that's the hustle. Sure, you can reserve it, sure, but you're gonna pay us if you cancel it. So be aware of that. I'll see if I can find the Fashionphile cancellation policy and either add a link in the description or share a little excerpt from it just for your knowledge. This bag is crafted of calfskin leather. It has a pebbled surface. The handles are rolled. It's rolled black handles. And on the sides, there's this beautiful knot detail. Isn't that lovely? I love how the bag sits where it's not just a straight up and down tote. You'll see that it just has like a little divots, little notches on each side that give it this unique shape. It kind of goes out and then back in. And I think that is just simple elegance, just a beautiful, simple design. It does not have any feet. I do have a Samorga organizer in here. It's too small because it's for the Celine micro bag that I actually owned in multiple colors. And I love that I'm finding use for them way beyond the time that I sell the original bags that I purchased them for. Now that I've taken the organizer out, I can show you that it does have an interior flap pocket there, and the pocket actually has some exterior slots, which it's harder to show you this big cavernous bag. So let's see, like there are two pockets right there. You may not be able to see them. Two pockets exterior to the actual zip pocket, which may be ideal for a smaller phone without a case. I have an iPhone Pro Max and it can't fit with the case in that pocket. So I just put it inside of the Samorga organizer. There's a magnetic closure at the top of the bag. See there? The base of the bag is 11.75 inches. The height of the bag is 14 inches. The width of the bag is 6 inches. And the strap drop is 9.5 inches. Now a quick size comparison to my Celine So Single. I'd say they hold approximately the same amount of items, even though due to the gussets of the side of this bag, it does look a little larger. It's about the same for everyday carry. To me, this bag is truly a work of art. I feel like Loewe has taken a very traditional tote bag and has added unique style elements to make this something special. It's elegant yet casual and perfect for every day. This bag is not screaming "I'm designer" at you. It's rather just, you know, giving subtle hints like, oh, you noticed I'm designer. I'm luxurious. Well, bask in my loveliness and consider yourself blessed and go about your day. This bag meets the style aesthetic of all of my make-believe personas. Yeah, museum curator, flunky kook high school art teacher, secretly wealthy librarian. Yes. I'm none of those things, but I feel like she would wear this. I don't know, maybe. I would if I was her. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, thank you. But if you are, you probably have seen my everyday carry, and I have to say my everyday carry fits in this bag without issue, including my Surface Pro. Not a problem. This is bag 3 of my new and improved luxury handbag collection. Bag 2, I've shown in the video already, the Celine So Single in large. I do have an unboxing of the So Single on my channel. Please have a look at that video and let me know what you think of the bag. So which do you prefer, this new Loewe Flamenco tote or the Celine So Single in large? I'd love to know. Please share in the comments. I said in an earlier video that I was only planning to add 2 new luxury bags to my collection this season, but I'm feeling like you guys might be more comfortable if I add just one more, you know? And I really want you to feel comfortable with this channel, so I may add another bag. I mean, just for you. I mean, not because I want one, but you know. I almost forgot the mod shots, but here they go. Thank you for watching. See you next time.